Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today I am going to show you how to create a simple tracker of stock in, out and balance in Microsoft Excel. Based on the stock in and stock out transaction you record, this stock balance section automatically updates by using formulas. Let's get started. First of all, create three sections for stock in, stock out and stock balance. In the stock balance sheet, list out all the products or items that you have in your warehouse. After this, you have to create table for each section. For that, select this column header and one row below this, then press Ctrl T. Click on this My Table Has Headers, click on OK. This creates a table for stock in. In the Table Design tab, rename the table as Stock In. Then press Enter. Similarly, select the column headers of stock out section and one row below this, press Ctrl T. My Table Has Headers, click on OK. Then rename the table as stock out. Press enter. Similarly, for the stock balance also, select this range, then press Ctrl T. My table has headers, click on OK. Next, in the stock balance, we have to use the formulas. In the total in, use this formula. Press equal to, use sum if function, open bracket. In the range parameter, provide the product name column of stock in table. So put here stock, then it will suggest this stock in table. Double click on this, open square bracket. Then choose the product name column, square bracket close. Then put a comma. In the criteria, click on the first product name of the stock balance table. Put a comma. In the sum range, provide this quantity column of stock in table. So put here stock in table, square bracket open, then choose the quantity column, square bracket close, then press enter. This gives you the total in quantity. For total out, press equal to, use sum if function, open bracket. In the range, provide the product name column of stock out table. So put here stock out table, square bracket open, then choose the product name column, square bracket close, then put a comma. In the criteria, click on the first product of the stock balance table, put a comma. In the sum range, provide the quantity column of stock out table. So put here stock out table, then the quantity column, then close bracket, press enter. And here you get the total stock out. For stock balance, the formula is simple, that is equals the total in minus total out. Next, in the product name column of the stock in and out, we have to create a drop down. For this, click on this cell, go to data tab, data validation. In this drop down, select list, and here in the source, use this formula. Here you can see the product name selection drop down has been created, from which you can select the product. You can simply copy this drop down, then go here in the stock out product name, right click, paste special, then select the validation option and click on OK. Now let me add here a purchase in transaction. Quantity is suppose that 12 unit. Here you can see in the total in, the 12 unit is auto updated. If you add here the stock out transaction, here you can see the total out is auto updated here and the balance is also automatically calculated. So when you add here more transactions, then this stock balance keeps on auto updating. So this is how you can create a simple tracker of stock in, out and balance in Microsoft Excel. If you want to use this format or want to practice the formulas used here, you can download this sample workbook from the link in the video description section. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in next tutorial.